Welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast. Now let's talk about some of the big earnings that came through yesterday after market close. We had both HUL and ITC reports. So Mangalam is here to really help us make sense of those numbers. Mangalam, let's talk about HUL first. How was it?
Well, as far as the FMCG earnings trend this time is concerned, the revenues of all the companies that have reported so far have been slightly below what the street was anticipating. But at the same time, the operational performance has been a lot better than anticipation as well. So that's something that you can see in HUL too. Close to around 15,300 crores is the revenue that the company posted as against the poll of a little over 15,300 crores itself. But the EBITDA, closer to 3,700 crores, is much above what the street anticipated, and as a result of which, there has been a beat on the bottom line as well. What's good about HUL's numbers this time around? Gross margins, they've expanded by nearly 700 basis points. And the company's EBITDA margins have been a beat despite them increasing their ad spends by 65%. For instance, ad spends the same time last quarter were at 7% of sales, and that has increased by about to 11% of sales itself. And despite that, there has been a big jump in the EBITDA margin, and that is a trend which is positive because the second half, there is expectation of the revenue growth to come by as well. What's not good is the volumes. They grew just around 2% versus street expectations of 3 to 4%. And the management has said that rural still continues to be a problem. They will only see gradual rural recovery, and going forward, there will be high competitive intensity. What is the stock likely to do? Well, it's about 8.5%, 9% away from its 52-week high, trading at around 54 times. So let's see whether it sees a bit of a bounce back in today's trading session or not. I sense that there could be a bit of a relief on HUL.
Okay, and it had closed absolutely flat, right, yesterday. So it'll be interesting to see how this one moves now.